Alright, Airi. I know they good. I know they good. But that all that's back in, boy. That ain't that good now. Alright.
When I say this is bussin', heading to go get some food because we needed to get something to eat. Okay, I am hungry. I got a taste for Popeyes. I haven't had their strawberry biscuit, and I also haven't had
You about to get all that?
a biscuit.
They
I don't gotta eat it.
They got strawberry biscuits? Oh yeah, them
Yeah,
smack.
I never had it before though.
I'm gonna try it. I have those.
You gonna try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Hey, smack, yo, you.
Oh, they about to party again. Hey, hey, hey. He is playing way too much. And then can I get a 2-piece strawberry biscuit? And that's it.
All right.
We got our food. Y'all, we got our food.
I need some ranch, black and ranch.
The next scene, y'all gonna be seeing us eating. I got the bill. I gotta taste it the way the boys is hyping up this food.
There's a biscuit.
I'm about to.
You got a whole setup right there. Oh no, this one warm. Yeah, the other one wasn't warm.
All right, y'all. So I am going to be tasting these strawberry biscuits from Popeyes. Okay, I'm gonna be tasting these strawberry biscuits from Popeyes and getting my first real raw reaction and letting y'all know my opinion. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna slide it to the side just for y'all so we can get right into it so y'all can eat. Y'all can see me taking this first bite. What happened?
Oh my god. The biscuit is busted. The biscuit is busted.
They that good?
Yeah. It's like, I don't know, like a strawberry waffle kind of, but then there's a biscuit. I'm gonna walk back up here.
Is that good?
Yeah, we can walk.
It's that good? Hold on, wait a minute. Let me fix my camera.
Why you get
Ready? I'm excited. Y'all got it hyped up. Where my drink? Yeah. Yes, sir.
What is it? Strawberry though? Strawberry bento with strawberry biscuit.
That's why I got it. I thought it was a little combo. I like what y'all did there. Ready? Yes. Come back. Ooh, it smells so good.
Right?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Fix yourself. Here we go.
When they start making it.
Mmm.
Alright, Airi. I know they good. I know they good. But that all that's back in, boy. That ain't that good now. Alright.
When I say this is bussin',
I have to do all that.
Airi, come on, bro.
It
is good though. No, it is good, but she might be doing it for a reason now.
Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. That's one of my pet peeves, bro.
Airi, how are you snacking on a biscuit? Yeah. There's not a bubble gum, man. I know
Ooh!
you're dry head. A Popeye biscuit.
I'm saying you still gotta have a drink with it. We had a strawberry. Strawberry. I thought she threw something at me. I don't know why. After lips like that. I might be traumatized. Like,
Well,
what happened to me?
Airi.
He got braces. He know how it is. He fixing it.
Like that.
I
never heard a smack like that.
She over there popping it like she pop popcorn, popping bubblegum.
How are you smacking like this? You should be choking on that motherfucker. See? Yeah. That's it. Boom.
Air.
Bro. Making my skin crawl, bro.
What?
That shit disgusting.
What are you talking about?
This is making his skin crawl.
I'm not even doing nothing.
Air.
I'm trying to eat my biscuit. Dang, y'all know what a mukbang ASMR is or not?
Alright, but you're not doing that, right? Okay.
Dang. All right, 2 more bites.
Oh no. Make it one bite. Make it one bite.
Oop, it was a little straggler in here. Now I'm just...
Put your ass outside in the hall.
It's stuck in there, y'all. All right, last bite. Or should I break it up into?
No. Come on. It's that time.
Chill.
How? One.
Airi?
You act like you don't know no better.
Airi.
What?
Come on, just save it. Save it for later on. There's nothing left. There's nothing there.
I'm done. It's in my teeth. That's why, like, it's in my teeth.
Come on. Bro, you just smacking.
All right, y'all.
You sure you?
I guess I'm gonna eat the rest of this off camera in private somewhere, since you know what I'm saying. I was just saying, y'all.
I know it was good, but dang, he put the AirPods on you. He put the AirPods on you.
No, I was just playing, y'all. I'm just playing, y'all. You just got pranked. I told you I just needed some food. Had to give y'all little pranks. They took forever to make sure I was fed around here. Anyway, y'all know what to do. make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below. Team Airi all day, every day. If you didn't know, now you know. Big things, probably little things. Stop that. Peace.